Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all fine at your home. And today we are going to learn lesson 4, A Friend in Need from our literature book. Okay children, in our literature book, lesson number 4, the topic is A Friend in Need. A Friend friend, need, need, a friend in need. This story is such a interesting and I hope you like this story. Listen to me carefully. Okay children? How many of you like to hear stories children? Yes, all of you, is it? Yes. So today in this lesson we are going to read a story about lion and the mouse. Okay children? You are seeing this picture, no? Who is there? Who are all there? Yes, lion and the mouse. Very good. So here they given name for lion. Okay children? See here, what is the spelling for lion? Lion, lion, isn't it? Yes. So they have given separate specific name for lion. What is that name? Saima. Simma. Saima. What is the name of the lion, children? Simma. Saima. Okay, children? Okay. So what is there going on there? What the lion is doing, children? The Saima is sleeping, isn't it? Yes, he is sleeping. Who is near to him? Yes, the mouse. The small, tiny mouse is on the Saima, isn't it? Yes. Usually, who is the king of the forest, children? Yes, king of the forest is lion, isn't it? Always lion is the king of the forest, isn't it? So, Saima is also the king of the forest. One day, Saima was sleeping in the forest. Okay, Saima was taking rest. Okay, so a little mouse came to play to him nearby. Okay, the little mouse came to play nearby, and what the mouse is doing was he was running up and down on the Saima. Okay, running up and down on the Saima. So after this, if anybody disturb in the sleeping, while you sleeping, what will happen? You suddenly wake up, isn't it? So the same thing, Saima also woke up and he was very angry. Because why he was angry, children? Saima was taking rest, isn't it? Yes. So while disturbing, he was getting up. After getting up, he was very angry. So after seeing that Saima was getting up, the little mouse was scared. He was afraid. Who was afraid? Yes, the little mouse was afraid. And he is saying that, please, Saima, don't eat me. Please, I'm very tiny. I'm very small. I'm a very small animal. Please don't eat me. I was disturbing you and you got angry. I was disturbing your sleep. So please don't eat me of your angry. He was begging. Who was begging? Yes, the little mouse was begging to whom? Yes, Saima. He is begging to Saima not to eat. No animals will come near to the lion, isn't it, children? Yes, because it is very big animal and it will hunt everybody, isn't it? The small animals, while seeing the lion, everybody will get scared and they won't come near to lion, isn't it? Because it will hunt others, isn't it? It will eat others. So the same thing happened to the little mouse also. He was angry already. Who is angry? Yes, Saima is angry already and the little mouse is begging and not to eat him. So and after that he is giving one more help. What he is saying, the little mouse is saying, if you not eat me, one day I will help you. Who is saying? Yes, the little mouse is saying to the Saima. So little mouse is saying, I'm one day I will help you anywhere. Okay, anytime at anywhere I will be useful for you. Please don't eat me. So after that, lion is laughing like anything. Ha ha, how can a little mouse help a lion? I am a big animal. I am the king of the forest. So how can you are very little, you are very tiny, how can you help me, a big animal like me. He is laughing. Who is laughing? Yes, Saima is laughing. And also he is saying that I am the king of the forest. So I am leaving you this time. You run away from me. And Saima was shouting and saying that you run away from me. Don't come again to see me. Okay, he is warning the little mouse to go. Okay. After the warning, the mouse started to run from the place. Why? If he stands there, what will happen, children? Yes, the big Saima will eat the little mouse, isn't it? So, to protect him, the little mouse started to run away from that place. Okay. So, because if he stands there, means what will happen? Yes, he will eat, isn't it? So, he ran away from that place. After some days, what happened? One day, Saima was walking in the forest. Okay, so Saima was walking in the forest. So he did not see a big net over on the tree, hanging on the tree. So without knowing, unknowingly, Saima fell into the net. See that picture, children. What happened? Who is inside the net? Yes, Saima is inside the net, isn't it? Yes, without knowing what happened, Saima fell into the net. So he was shouting. He don't know how to get out of the net. So because he need anyone's help, isn't it? Because he all alone he cannot come out from the net because he don't know how to come out from the net. So Saima started to shout, help, help, let me out. Okay, what he is shouting? Help, help, let me out. He want to come out, isn't it? So otherwise what will happen? Any hunters will shoot him, isn't it? So Saima got scared and he was shouting like anything, please any one of you come and help me. So Saima was shouting for a long time, and okay, so but he could not get out of the net. He cannot come out of the net. He don't know how to come out of the net. So suddenly there comes a little mouse. The little mouse was playing nearby that place. Fortunately, what happened? The little mouse was playing near to that place, and he was shouting, isn't it? Who is shouting? Saima is shouting, isn't it? So after that, the little mouse is hearing that sound. Who is shouting like this? Who is seeking for help? The little mouse was searching here and there. He was searching there and there. He saw Saima is inside the net. So after seeing this, little mouse, did he help or not, children? Yes, the little mouse will help because he didn't eat him, isn't it? The Saima did not eat on the other day, isn't it? He was disturbing Saima and he was angry, and the little mouse was begging to Saima. After the beg, he did not do anything. He asked the little mouse to run away from that place, isn't it? So the little mouse started to help him. How the little mouse can help to come down from the get out from the net? How can he help, children? Do you have any idea? Yes. What happened? Let us see. See here, Saima is inside the net, isn't it? So he started to cut the net with his sharp teeth. Have you seen the teeth of the mouse, children? Have you seen the mouse? It is very small and his teeth is very sharp, isn't it? So he began to cut the net with his sharp teeth. Okay. So he was doing very fast. The mouse is cutting the net very fast as soon as the net was cut into bits. If the net cut means what happened? The Saima can come out of the net, isn't it? Yes, the same thing happened. The net was soon cut into bits. So Saima came out of the net. What happened now? Saima came out of the net. See this picture, children. Who is now out now? Saima. Yes, only because whom? Yes, the little mouse. The little mouse helped Saima to come out of the net. So he was very happy. Who was very happy? Saima, isn't it? He only came out of the net, isn't it? So he was very happy and he was thanking the little mouse. Okay, he was thank you, little mouse. I thought you were very small. How can you are going to help me? But you are, even though you are very small, you helped me to come out of the death, isn't it? Otherwise, what happened if the mouse not helped the Saima? What happened, children? The hunters will come and hunt the lion, isn't it? So he was thanking him very much, and also he is saying that I'm sorry that I said you could not help me. You have saved my life today. Thank you, he is saying. So before that, what he thought of the little mouse? He is very small. How can he help me? He is the king of the forest, isn't it? Each and every animals in the forest, everybody will scared of the lion, isn't it? Nobody come in front of the lion, isn't it? Because it will hunt others, isn't it? So but here the little mouse saved the life of the lion Saima. Okay, so after this, Saima was very happy, and also he is thanking to the little mouse. Okay, children, I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Okay, let me teach you the hard words in this lesson. Okay, and also the moral value of this lesson, what we can learn from this lesson. Okay, let us see what the moral values that we can learn from this lesson. Let us see. Okay, children, see this: help others when they are in need. The after hearing the noise, the sound of the Saima, isn't it? The mouse is playing nearby that place. After hearing that, he went near to the lion where the sound was coming from, and he was searching, and he went to that exact place, isn't it? Yes. So after seeing that, what happened? Without thinking anything, the mouse, the little mouse started to cut the net, isn't it? He started to bite the net, isn't it? So otherwise, what would have happened? The lion was hunted by anybody, isn't it? So the exact time the mouse should help the Saima, isn't it? So they need the Saima need the mouse to help him, isn't it? So when the Saima is on trouble, immediately the little mouse started to help him. So the second moral value what we are learning is, don't underestimate. What is mean by underestimate, children? I will say you the incident which is in the lesson. Okay, see, at first what happened? The little mouse disturbed the lion Saima, and he was very small and he was very angry, isn't it? So after that, he was asking, please don't eat me. Okay, oh yes, no. So after that, what happened? The lion did not eat him, and he left the little mouse to go, isn't it? So before that, what happened? He is saying, the little mouse is saying, I will help you one day. So but he did not believe in him, isn't it? Because he is too small. How can he going to help, isn't it? So but when the lion is in need, only the tiny little mouse came to help, isn't it? But before that, what happened? He underestimated the little mouse, because he cannot help me. I am the bigger one. You are very small. How you can come and help me? So he underestimated the little mouse, but he only saved his life, isn't it? So we need not to underestimate any person of their appearance or whatever may be, isn't it, children? We should respect all. We should respect all the people. Okay, children, we should not underestimate like the lion Saima. Okay, so we should respect all, and we should treat equally everybody. Okay, so only the little mouse came to help him, isn't it? So the same way, if we underestimate others, the same people can come there will be a situation, the same people can come and help us. Okay, so I hope you all understood this story and also the moral value of this lesson. and this is our lesson 4 in our literature reader. Okay, let us learn the hard words, that means pronunciation and also the meaning of this lesson. Okay, see the spelling for Simma, Simma, Simma. Okay, lion, what is the spelling for lion? Lion, lion. What is the spelling for mouse? Mouse, mouse. Forest, Forest, forest. You know what is mean by forest? Yes, no, children? The next one, saved, saved, saved. What is the meaning for saved? Anyone, they are in dangerous situation, so anybody going and helping them, that is called what? Saved. So simply we can saying we can help others in their dangerous situation. Okay, children, so I hope you all understood this and learn this video. If you don't understand, watch the videos 2 times or 3 times so that you can understand very well. Okay, children, we will meet in the next video class. Okay, children, thank you, take care.